In this video, I check out the Porter Cable PCE300 circular saw. First, I want to talk about the specs on this saw. It uses a 15 amp motor that spins the blade at 5500 RPM. It weighs 9.5 pounds, has a steel shoe and metal upper and lower guards. Depth of cut at 90 degrees is 2.5 inches, and at 45 degrees, which is the max bevel adjustment, the depth of cut is 1 7/8 of an inch. Some of the saws in this class have an electric brake, but this particular saw does not. Alright, it comes with a blade. You can see right here, 7 1/4 inch, 18 teeth. So it comes with an Allen wrench connected to the cord at the back. So we're going to take that out, push this down to lock it, and counterclockwise. Tighten it back up. That. You can see that the Allen wrench is stored on the cord as it comes out of the saw. I would prefer it be on the saw. We'll see how this holds up over time. Here you can see the bevel adjustment on the saw, and it goes up to 45 degrees. You adjust the depth with this knob right here, like most circular saws. Push it up, and you can change the depth that you cut. Pretty simple. There is a gauge in here with the arrow. I don't know if you can see that arrow in the measurements. There it is. So that'll help tell you how deep you're cutting. Let's turn it on and see how it runs. Overall, I think this saw fits a specific market. It's great for beginners and DIY types. Like for someone who wants to do weekend projects every now and then, you really can't beat this saw on its value. It is relatively cheap and feels high quality. And one of the best things about it is how great it feels in your hand. The grips feel strong, and just the ergonomics are really comfortable. It lacks some of the features that the higher end saws will have. If I had to pinpoint the biggest negative, it would be not having an electric brake. You can see that the saw takes a long time to wind down when you finish the cut. This isn't really a problem with its performance, but I like for the saw to stop quickly when I'm not using it. If you want to read more about this saw, I put a link in the description to my full review. Or if you want to look at some other circular saw options, there's also a link to my comparison guide.